Good morning everyone, thank you so much for your time. Today we want to take you through the marketing process as a whole, and we're going to do this as if we are talking to our client Mike. He runs a hotel. So what we often find with the marketing process is that clients come to us with an expectation or with a need. Like someone wanting to buy a new car. They know they want something fast, they want something with enough space, and they want it to be red. However, there is a lot of things in the marketing process that are happening behind the scenes, the engine that actually drives this process and causes you to get leads. So today we're going to take you through the process so that you can have an understanding of how everything works together as a whole.
So in this first client meeting that we'd have, we need to find out from Mike what his goals are with his business. So we know he has a hotel, but is it higher end or is it lower end? What's the kind of person that he wants in his hotel? Like, what would his ideal customer be? As well as what does he want from the turnover from his first year in business. So these are all parts of the conversation that we have. I then actually walk away from this meeting and go and develop his marketing strategy. So we have a look at what's going on in the world in total, and then we narrow it down until we've got his plan, his goals, as well as how we're going to achieve that for him. In this conversation as well, we'll end up talking about enough information that we can develop a structure for the website, and we can start with his SEO copy so we can connect him with the best Google results. And from there, the next important step is his brand development.
The next phase of our marketing process is brand development. The nice thing of Tamsin already doing the marketing strategy is that I can take that information and then understand the profile of the business, which I need to create a logo and some supporting graphics for it. The supporting graphics is quite important because you use it to color in all the marketing material for the client. Then I would also create a brand guide or style guide, which will be a nice thing to hand over to the guys who's doing the website, who's doing the Meishi business cards, and even the videographers. So they know which colors to use, which fonts, and how to apply all the graphics.
Straight into your video concept, we're going to start with your why. So why are you developing this brand or business? Starting with that, we can lead straight into the concept for the video and how we're going to portray your vision, both for this industry or this hotel group, and as well as the why for why you're doing it. Then from there, working with Christelle, we're going to both complete your still images for the website, and as well as the landing page video that would be included in the website.
All right, Mike, now that we've got all of your elements ready, we've got your SEO copy, we've got your great graphics and video ready, and we can even take 360 virtual tours that Meishi is going to do for you. We're going to incorporate all of that into a website for you. We can include pages for the various different services that you offer, like your spa, your restaurant, and your rooms, and definitely we can include a booking plugin. What we find with a website in the marketing strategies, that is often the point of conversion. So someone will start building a relationship, but when they are on your website, that is the point at which a sale is often made. So we need to make sure that your website is really professional, and we need to make sure that it ties in with your brand identity, with your images, that it's written well, so that your client can have the best possible experience.
Great, so while Josh is busy with the photography and videography, and Christelle is busy with the website, and Cindy is busy with the Meishi business card, I will then go and do all the graphic and marketing material Mike needs for his hotel. And that will be like email signatures, business cards, document templates, PowerPoint templates. Maybe he needs some signage for the front of the hotel, maybe where they drive in, or maybe he needs some signage for the reception area. We can also do branding, maybe pens and notepads for his conference room, or maybe nice designs for his t-shirts. I will also create a corporate profile if he needs one for his hotel, and then also create some social media graphics, maybe cover profile, a cover image, profile image, and post templates. And then of course brochures and flyers would also be included in the design.
So after Johannes has sat with you and all your designs and concepts have been drawn up and all the ideas is with Tamsin and with Christelle, with your website, we are normally the magic wand. So we take all your concept and ideas and put it into visuals. That can be anything from business cards, and not to mention that we can put your Meishi QR code on business cards, so you've got 2 in 1. Then we can do your letterheads, to branding, to corporate branding, and even signage. So all Johannes's magic work we can put into visual. So after you've been with Johannes and all your visuals has been created, we can print it all for you. Whether it's on brochures, pens, garments, signage, we can actually take all his magic and put it in a visual for you.
So everything is being set up for Mike's business and we're ready to get serious with his marketing. We've got a website, we have all his printed material ready to go, we've got a strategy which has pulled this all together. And one important element that Christelle mentioned earlier, which I'd like to highlight again, is that your website is where the conversions should happen as far as your digital marketing is concerned. So the next job is traffic, and it's all traffic management and traffic creation. We do this in a number of different ways. Your social media channels are one way of doing this. So for a hotel, great ones would be Facebook, LinkedIn as well for your corporate events, as well as Instagram. So that's one set of channels. Our next set has to be our paid advertising. Google Ads, where people are actively searching and looking for something that is a dire need, is a fantastic place to connect with them and drive them to the website, as well as your paid advertising on Facebook and Instagram. And then thirdly, your newsletters can act as a funnel in itself. So we can create newsletter funnels which then help build a relationship with people in the digital space and then move them towards a conversion. Or if you want, it can be a really great way to connect with people and share news about what's happening, specials, promotions, and things that you shouldn't miss out on.
Hats off to Mike for choosing the Marketing Cartel to use this holistic marketing approach to get his why alive. First of all, with Tamsin putting that whole marketing strategy mapped out all together, with Johannes visually engineering your brand in an intelligent way so that it can come alive, and Lisa from Campus Solution then bringing her magic so that all of that branding and content can be printed and distributed physically. This is how the approach that we are taking in a holistic way can bring all of that parts together of that red car that the customer wanted and the expectations that they had, so that also House of Vision and Josh can then take this beautiful why and capture it in a way that the targeted audience you have can experience your business. And very importantly, for Christelle and the Lagtech team to then bring the website where the point of conversion can then actually get you sales. And the Meishi portfolio digital business card is where this all gets brought together to edify your brand and your business, so that this holistic approach can get shared globally and be in the palm of your targeted audience hands. We stir it up, we shake it, so that you can get the best results. We trust that the introduction to this marketing process makes it easy for you to understand and be able to implement it into your own business, and so that you can also now easier refer us to other businesses.